Tonight's the night, no wrong or right, no wrong or right. I look down at my watch and that bitch red is the time of your life. Now put your hands in the air, from side to side, from left to right. I look down at my watch and that bitch red is the time of your life. Hey, hey, you see the blimp fly by? I looked up in the sky and that bitch red if the world knows. It's been a long week and you tired of your boss and you think about getting lost. Come chill with a nigga, keep it real with a nigga if you think.
Hey, what's up everybody? As you can see, this customer right here knows exactly how important credit is in the world today. This is a customer who took advantage of our $6.99 special for the month of October. Now, the month of October is almost up, so if you did not get your $6.99 special, you need to do it before it ends. If you would like to take advantage like this customer did right here, pick up the phone and give us a call at 833-947-3863, or the special will be gone when come November.
We have the whole side torn out for our new laundry room slash furnace area. Yep. This is how it's going down. We are really putting in some work, man. Got all the walls torn out of here. And now we just have one big, large, open space. This is gonna be home's gonna be so nice, man. I might have to move into this joint. It's got a nice backyard. There are plans on the wall, as you guys can see right here. Let's take a look at this. Here we are right here. There's the front door, the living room. Here's the change that I made. See, this wall was actually gonna bump out, but now we're gonna recess this back into the garage a bit so we can get our laundry and our furnace. And it'll just leave the rest of it just wide open. And of course we'll put like double doors so you can access the laundry and the furnace and whatnot. But yeah, this is how it's going down. I don't think I've ever worked this much in the last 5 years. I'm not really working per se, but I did help with these headers. I helped hold those up. I got a lot of nasty stuff on me. I did help with those, and you know, I made the decision to blow this wall out to recess that area right there. And there's the old, actually it's not even an old water heater. We're still using that because it's actually a new water heater. But we're gonna get this bad boy repositioned on the other side of that wall, get the furnace and the laundry room right here. And we're gonna be ready to put this thing back together. But wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. We have to blow this wall right here out. So we're gonna be ripping that door out, blowing this whole wall out to expose the family room, which is going to open up to the kitchen right here. And I have to watch where I'm stepping, otherwise I could break a leg. Yep, I just wanted to do this quick video just to show you guys this. It's going to be nice. And we did do a few more things. You know what, let's go outside right quick. We're going to go outside. Hopefully I don't step on nothing else, but I just had a nail almost go through my foot because I'm just wearing some old raggedy tennis shoes, as you guys can see.
How did Jackie like the wall?
She loves it. Now I'm wondering, because Jackie hit me up and said, I don't know if you should just, maybe you should just power wash the house and leave it that way. Maybe just paint the trim first to see how it's going to look, because it actually is looking pretty good. So I'm thinking we may be able to get away with power washing the house and just painting the trim like white or whatever. I think that could absolutely work. All right, guys, leave a comment. Tell me what you think below. Let me know if you think I should just power wash the house and, you know, paint the trim or whatnot, or should I go ahead and paint the house a two-tone gray, lighter at the top, darker at the bottom? What do you guys think? Leave a comment. All right, I'm out. Peace.
Tonight's the night, no wrong or right, no wrong or right. I look down at my watch and that bitch red. It's the time of your life. Now put your hands in the air, from side to side, from left to right. I look down at my watch and that bitch red. It's the time of your life. Hey, you see the blimp fly by? I looked up in the sky and that bitch red at the world. It's been a long week and you tired of your boss and you think about getting lost. Come chill with a nigga, keep it real with a nigga. If you think about dipping off, then tell me how you feel about it. Baby, tell me how you feel about it. Got the weed and the liquor for the road. You say you wanna ride, if you ride, get in. I put the key in the ignition, hit the pedal, let's go. Skirt off on them niggas, living life like we above the law. And I bang on them niggas, let it rain on the strippers, getting money like it's protocol. Give them a finger, tell them, hey. Tonight's the night, no wrong.